Third day in LA. Okay, so now we are in LA downtown, and there is a robot trying to cross the street. We're in Hollywood again, and this the whole Hollywood Boulevard is closed due to the Pride Parade. So I have to walk 1.5 kilometers towards the Walk of Fame. Hollywood Boulevard is closed due to the parade, so I can walk in the middle of the road. That's great. When can you get to do that? I'm going up the escalators besides the Dolby Theatre. The Dolby Theatre is the home of the Oscars since 2002. This theatre was actually built specifically to host the Academy Awards. It used to be called the Kodak Theatre, before Dolby bought the naming rights in 2012. Inside, it seats around 3,400 people and has one of the most advanced sound systems in the world, with more than 200 speakers. Pretty much every major Hollywood celebrity has walked through these doors at some point. The giant staircase leading up to the theater becomes the actual Oscars red carpet entrance every year.
I take the e-bike that my friend lent me. Anyway. Alright, so coming up on the right side now, here's where we're going to start seeing views of the San Fernando Valley. So the first opening is just a brief opening, so that means since no castle down there, Harry Potter Hogwarts. It's small, but if you can spot it. And then Warner Brothers, yeah, in behind there. So one time, so long-time host of Jeopardy, fellow Canadian Alex Trebek. So that gray house there. And then a little bit. But this street we're about to cross right now is another famous street that you're probably familiar with called, were the two ones that collapsed due to a mudslide that caused Mullholland. Yes, can you get it? Yeah, nice.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so yeah, a lot of people see that and they don't think it looks safe enough to go up there. The entrance to Paul McCartney's Beverly Hills up here on the Beverly Hills house on the right. You'll see how the driveway curves around, so it's not from Star Wars. So she used to live right here on our left at Coldwater Canyon, 1700 Coldwater Canyon Boulevard. Now, as you can see, this big entrance in the middle was put up. Her daughter, Billy Lord, owns that. Beverly Hills. We just crossed into the Beverly Hills city limit. So most of the streets we're going to be driving through now in Beverly Hills, if you see one kind of tree on one side of the street, you're going to see the exact same kind of tree down. We'll see a few above ground power lines in a few of the alleyways for a few movies. The most famous name for the house is called the Godfather House. House through the super long driveway that curves around, and then the other show, this theme song. So the I Love Lucy show. Anyway, so yeah, the next stop sign after this one is where we'll cross into an area known as Holmby Hills. Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. Now, I've been trying to find out why security's been there lately, but I haven't found out yet. But just cool statues to see. This, I hope you get a chance. Yeah, I hope everybody who wants one gets one there. And you definitely got one at the front. So no matter what catalytic converter I have in there. Yeah. But I'll try to keep it. It's just the California way, everybody. Anyway, their house, the Menendez house, sold last year in March for $17 million.